The United States views China's actions in the South China Sea as a threat to regional stability. It asserts that China's claims violate international law and freedom of navigation. The U.S. Navy conducts regular freedom of navigation operations, FONOPs, in the region. These operations challenge China's expansive maritime claims. The U.S. has also strengthened its alliances with countries in the region. This includes increased military cooperation and support for their maritime capabilities. The U.S. maintains that it does not take sides in the territorial disputes. However, its actions clearly aim to counter China's growing influence. This strategic competition between the two superpowers adds another layer of complexity to the South China Sea dispute. The risk of miscalculation and escalation remains a constant